Right now, I want to bring in Scott Bauer, he's the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. You got Tesla, Microsoft on your mind, Scott. Let's go Tesla first. You short or you long?
No, I'm going long here, but I'm going long, Oliver, by selling a put spread. So I'm not necessarily looking for major upside here. What I'm looking for is playing off of this really defined range that this stock has traded in for months and months and months. The bad news, or at least the news of the day, it's out there right now. In fact, the stock traded higher yesterday prior to the announcement that this new executive was leaving. This area of 285 to 280 from a trading perspective, again, not from an investment perspective, from a trading perspective, has been great support, and that's why I want to sell a put spread down there.
Yeah. Okay. This is just that this company is not going to, drop back to the bottom of the range, basically, Scott?
No, the bottom of the range is slightly below that, maybe 270 to 265, but it's been tightening up a little bit lately. There's still some excess premium in the options even after the earnings announcement yesterday. So I'm just playing that very short term, next week put spread. I don't care what happens after February 8th, to be quite frank with you. February 8th put spread, I'm selling that 285, 280 put spread.
All right, Microsoft, company's down after, again, posting some pretty solid numbers. It seems like a rock, Scott, from the fundamental side. What about from a trader's perspective?
I saw you post a tweet yesterday about Microsoft and how incredible this company is, and I couldn't agree with you more. Stock is right? I mean, it's unbelievable. I think this is a buyer's opportunity here. I'm going out about a month, a little over a month, to March 8th options here, and I'm buying a $4 wide call spread. And the reason I'm doing the 107, 111 is because right now the expected move that the option market is pricing in is about a $6.5 move out to that expiration. I can buy that call spread, Oliver, for maybe just over $1. I think it's fantastic reward to risk. I think that anybody that doesn't get in at these levels, whether it's 104, 103-ish, somewhere in that range, in hindsight, they're going to be sorry they didn't.
All right, Mr. Bauer, good stuff. Looking forward to seeing how it develops.
I got one more for you.
Hit me. I got time,
one more
Scott.
if I have time.
Yeah, give it to me.
Awesome. You guys were just talking about CMG, right? This is a stock like Tesla, like Facebook, that when they can stay out of the headlines, right, this stock always does well. It's the headline risk that hurts them. Chipotle has been out of the headlines. That's why this stock has taken off, and that's why I believe people are bullish ahead of earnings next week.
All right, pretty nice chart for a consumer staple. At least that's the way I define it.
Yep.
Scott, it's a staple in my life.
You got it.
All right, thank you, Mr. Bauer. There you go.
My kids, too. You got it.
An extra trade there from Scott. Up next, let's talk high.